Fast research excellence. Our researcher Dr. Galai Law, from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. Dr. Law's research focus on three major areas. The first area is optical properties of lanthanide architectures. The second area is chemical biology. And the third area is diagnostic and theranostics. Dr. Law and her research group have published multiple papers in high-impact journals. Recently, they have developed a series of molecular assembly and imaging probes for biomedical imaging and therapy applications. The discoveries were reported in Nature Communications and in Organic Chemistry. Gadolinium DOTA complex serves as the gold standard of contrast agents to improve the quality of MRI images, as it has the highest thermodynamic and kinetic stability among the clinically used MRI contrast agents. However, studies have found that gadolinium-based contrast agents cause nephrogenic systemic fibrosis in patients with renal failure. Gadolinium ions also dissociate from the complexes and deposit in patients' brains. The development of safer, more inert contrast agents is needed. Dr. Law has synthesized a family of chiral DOTA chelators that demonstrate enhanced properties, transcending the parent DOTA compound. The new chiral DOTA chelators form complexes with gadolinium and exhibit excellent stability. No dissociation of the gadolinium ion is observed even after heating at 90 degrees for 3 days, as well as under extreme pH conditions for 10 days. The new chiral DOTA complexes exhibit very fast water exchange rates in an optimal range for high-field imaging, implying excellent relaxivity and sensitivity. They also studied the biodistribution of the chiral DOTA complexes. Their complexes show unique biodistribution profiles in different organs, for example, liver, gallbladder, and kidney. The unique profiles could be used for organ-specific applications. More importantly, the complexes show a near-zero distribution in the brain, which means less toxicity. The chiral DOTA chelators also demonstrate fast labeling with radiometals with an excellent yield of 97%. The results indicate that their chiral DOTA chelators are excellent candidates for binding radiometals for PET, or SPECT imaging. In conclusion, the new chiral DOTA chelators are superior to the parent DOTA compound, in terms of inertness, water exchange kinetics, and fast radiolabeling properties. The new chelators are promising candidates for developing safer and more efficient agents for MRI, and radiometal chelators for PET, or SPECT imaging. Thank you.